Hey guys, welcome back to another Cool Vibes fishing video. Today we're at the rocky beach again fishing for some porgies. So if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, do all the above, and let's go. I can't see anything. I don't think I got it. I think it came off. Yay! Oh yeah. I still caught the fishy. Stop it. Bro, what the hell? Stop it. Stop. 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 Stop it. Stop. I stopped midway to click record. Stop. Oh my God. Stop it. Stop it. Ow. Hey, Dad. Yeah. Guess what? Yeah. Ugh.
Get it.
Ah! Just keep reeling. Ugh. Oh my God! We got a double hit! Oh my God! I got him! Damn. Did you? Or is it something still? How'd you miss it, man? Can't be getting mad at me. Oh my God, this fish is so far out. I think it's off. It's too light. Nope, it's there. It's a biggie. Huh, Dad, I think I just beat you. I think I got the bigger one. This thing is huge.
Sometimes when you think it's off, it's really swimming to you. Looks like I'm tired of being dragged. I'm gonna just go this way.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. All right. It was peeing on me. Ew! Its secret goo just came out on my hand. Dad, that's over 12.
Get it.
No? I missed him? I missed him. Want to keep talking, huh? I knew he was still there. I knew that buddy was still there, trust me. I see him. Yeah. Come here, little boy. It's small. Ow! It fell on my foot. Oh yeah, tiny one. Tiny, tiny. $9.5. What'd you get? Do you know what you got yet? It looked like a sea robin. Look like a sea robin right now.
It felt like a big ass porgy or two of them shit. That's just a big porgy.
Go see. Damn. Damn, you might be beating me right now. I'm sliding and there's rocks in my crop again. It's a big old porgy.
It ate the whole hook.
Oh my god.
Put your finger in it.
No, I'm good.
Just put it.
There's so many rocks in my shoe right now. Stop flopping. I'm still winning. It's literally just, it's like, it's on 12, but the one that I caught was a little bit longer than 12. I get it? Yeah. Let's go. The rock paid off. The rock paid off, Dad. Yeah. That's small. Yeah, what the hell is happening here? Can't even tell how this is hooked in your mouth, dude. You need new bait. Nice. Huh? Gotta let it flop for a little bit. Uh, 10. Barely 10. Hello, can I get my finger back? Thanks. Gladly take that. Don't eat me. Bro, this freaking fish is trying to eat me. You know what? How about that? Another fish? Let's see who's testing me today. No. Damn. Now I'm putting it back. Didn't your parents tell you that it's rude to play with your food? I'll wait right here. You fixing my bait for me too? Thanks. God damn! Now I just wanted my cookie. I almost died choking on a cookie for this freaking fish. Yeah. Dude. Freaking fish. God damn. Here we go. This one's huge. Okay. Look at me. Let's see how big this one is now. Hey, Dad. 12 and a half. No, that's 13, I think. 13? I can't tell. It's either 12 and a half or that's 13. That's 12 and a half. That? 13? Yeah, I just beat my own record. Let's go. Oh my God, I can't get the... Oh my God, I can't get the hook through. I'm gonna get so much hate for this, bro. There we go. Oh, I forgot. Dad, could you come take off this bell so I don't lose it, please? Three, two. Woo! Ah! Popped. I did. Oh man. Come on, Dad. See if you can get it. Okay, you got this fish?
Gotta wait until they hit again. See when they hit.
Caught a blackfish. We're not keeping him, but I do want to measure him just to see how big he is, to know what I'm missing out on. No, this is not fish abuse. It's called accidentally dropping the fish. 13 and a half inches. That's not bad. For a blackfish, that's not bad. Let's go put it back in the water. All right. Bye-bye, little butterfly. Bye, blackfish. He's still there. Wow. Still there. I lost a shoe. Oh, damn. No, Dad, run! This freaking fish want to die, that's why. You lost him? Damn, son. That's why I said put the bell on. Nice porgy. Just caught 3 back-to-back fishes, by the way. If anybody's wondering. Lost a shoe, just caught 3 back-to-back fishes. 2 porgies, 1 blackfish. It was all worth it. Here, I'll let you sit there so I can go get my shoe. Dad, I was running up the mountain and I fell. And lost a shoe. Alright. See this. It's a nice fish. Yo, this one's huge. Hmm? What do you mean let it go? Open your mouth.
You go like this, and then you get it in its mouth, right? And then you see this? You go in. Well, this one you can actually just take out now.
Three back-to-back fishes. Oh, I just caught 3 back-to-back fishes. Let's go. But this thing's absolutely massive. So I pull up to let it go? What? So I pull up to let it go? To, like,
Yeah.
Flop like a fish. Alright, let's see how big he is. Stop it! Stop it! I'm trying to measure you. Stop! Huh? Sorry. Uh, 14. 14 and 1/4. That's my new record. This one? Cool. I know what to do, Dad. Damn. Bell. Dude, what the hell? You were dead wrong about the rod. Oh. For a minute, I thought you were wrong. I see. Which one do you think is gonna strike first, yours or mine? Yours looks like it's about to get hit.
I don't think that one's
I just caught a baby porgy and I'm not allowed to keep it. It's so tiny and cute though. You're ugly. How about that? That's where your mama left you. We're gonna eat your cousins tonight. How about that? Say hi. And say bye-bye to the baby. You sure? You're not keeping it? Alright. I'm gonna say bye-bye to the baby porgy. I say bye to the porgy. Alright. Peace out, gang. Look at it. It's so confused. It's so confused. Go that way. You're going the wrong way. Dad, the fish is going the wrong way. You know what? Come here, little fishy. And yar! There we go. Got the fishy back in the water. Did another good deed today. You just got hit. This fish is being retarded. Wait, one more hit. One more hit. Did I get it? Just some seaweed. I don't know if seaweed can make the rod move. It ate the bloodworm. No, just the top.
I just caught for.
Cool, got it. Excuse me, I caught most of the fish, please. Girl, please. I've caught in at least 2 fish on every rod. Chris, I've caught in at least 2 fish on every rod, and there's 3 rods, which means I have caught in at least 6, and I know I've caught in more than that because I've gotten 3 on that. Finally ready to actually give me something? Ow! Ow! It fought back! I think I caught a baby shark. The thing fought back, Dad. You saw that? That wasn't me, I swear. that was me after dark. Come here! No! It's a freaking fish! I'm reeling. I can see him. I can't. Lying. I can't see him. I see him now. It's a biggie. He's big. It's another biggie. Come here. Just want to talk to you, man. All right. I'll let you do what you're gonna do, but just know. There we go. That one was easy. Nice fish. You wanna play this game? Because two can play at this game now. No, these ones keep flopping out of my hand. $12 2/4. It's a nice bit. My biggest porgy so far is 14 inches. Face down. Got it. This makes up. Why don't have at least 10 inches on this fish, bro? This fish is getting stabbed. I keep taking them from you. That looks good. Gimme. I want to take it off. Oh, I don't know if he's 10 inches. He looks small. He's 9. He's exactly 9 inches. Are we keeping him? Huh? All right. Guess I gotta bring out my football skills. Down. Down. Say, hut. Yeah, I got him in the water. I gotta go help him. Why are fish so stupid? Oh yeah. There you go. Hey, at least you still got full bait, man.
I chewed this one. And it took that one.
Oh, I just realized that. Sounds like a boat.
Where do you see a boat?
I said it sounds like a boat.
There's somebody that think operating like a saw or some shit.
It's still 50 minutes of recording time. Cool. fishy. It's my fishy. You don't get the food. Oh my God. Ten inches. Stay right here. Ow! I hate it keeps doing that. I got it. The bell flew, bro. I think it's a blackfish. Yeah, it's a blackie. It's a small one. Oh, oopsies.
Flip the switch on the back. You see on the back? No. Close it. Flip the switch. Push it up.
This thing got jaws of a freaking monster. Like, what did I do to you? I'm sorry if I hurt your family. Dad, can you hand me the little thingy? Can you hand me the thingy? The hook is stuck in its mouth. Never mind, I got it.
Let go of the fish.
Oh, I'm gonna measure it. It's a nice fish. Dad, what is that? What is that? Ew, what is that? Bye, fishy. Got it. It's a nice one too. Uh, 12 inches on the line. Huh? No, really? It's exactly a foot. If I add 7 more of these on top of each other, that means they'll be taller than you. Fish tower! So bored right now. Probably is. Oh my eyes.
So what you call it? A stingray?
It's a stingray? Did I just catch a stingray? Oh my god. Get that on camera. I just got a stingray. Why can't I touch it? So? Where is it? I'm so glad I'm recording. I just caught a dang stingray, guys.
If you look on the bottom, they look like they got a face and it's smiling.
That's weird. I do not like this.
You gotta put it in this mouth.
Open up. I shut him up.
How are you gonna be able to get that back?
It has spikes. I don't like this. Hold on. Wait, I want to take out the. Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Oh yeah.
You got it? God damn. Can I hold it? Or will it hurt me? Huh? You looking for your phone? Huh?
And this barb thing right there,
Yeah.
sticks you. That's how the guy that the crocodile hunter died.
Oh. Do you want me to go get the thingy that you need?
So right now you don't even need the grips. You take it like that.
Mm-hmm.
And you gotta run it under the hook. Once you get the hook, you go like that. No. Okay. A nice jerk.
And you go like that? You go like that?
Maybe a couple of jerks.
There we go. Okay, so what do I do with this now? Huh? Alright, I'm gonna go release this freaking stingray that I just caught. I'm not trying to get stuck by this because it's like that. Arr! Ooh. Oh. Yeah. You did get him? That's a biggie. Haha. Dude, this freaking fish swallowed the entire thing. Ow! It bit me. Girl, please, open your mouth. Where even is the hook, bro? Ow, stop biting me. feel like I'm talking to my brother over here, bro. Stop. Got him. Only took 7 years though. Serious right now? That's it. It's my creation. Let's see how big he is. $12 and a half. No, 13. 13, Dad. Got a big one. Can you stop? Like, got it. Nope. Yep, got him. Gonna have to pop. Huh? I'm going. Right there. Did I get it stuck or did it get stuck itself? Oh. Stubborn fish. Huh? Good job. Is there a fish still on? Huh? Nice. Are you serious right now? Fishy. Huh? Nah. 11. You enjoying that sandwich right there? Watch that rod get hit, bro. Oh, my phone. Yes. Okay. 3 in a row? 4? 5? 6? Oh my God. Blackfish. Blackfish. That's not a porgy, that's a blackfish.
Sit down. Huh? Well, I just did. Can you stop? Like, oh, there you go. Open your mouth. There you go. Oh, oh my God. About to drag you by your goddamn tail. Open up. Open up. W for seal. Shut up! Gotta go release him. My child. Go release him into the wilderness. Ow, stop biting me. I want you back. How about that? Fly, little fishy. That brother gone. Oh, he got a fish. He got a fish. He got a fish. See, prediction says 40. There you go. Prediction bird eye. It's a nice 40. Stop moving. God damn. Where's all these fish being so finicky? You doing this again? Keep it up. This big blink. Damn, saw the entire thing. See it. Love it. That's that little boy. Oh, you caught a fish? See how good he can cast. Prediction says not that good. God damn. That brother disappeared.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. And like always, I'll see you with another one. Bye. Wait, why are you still here?